Sugar output may drop as more cane gets diverted for ethanol. In news from New Delhi, India's sugar production is likely to decline marginally to 30.5 million ton in the next 2021 season as more sugarcane will be diverted for ethanol making, a senior government official said on Monday. Sugar production is estimated to have 31 million ton in the 2021 season, October-September, he said. India is the world's second biggest sugar producer after Brazil. Sugarcane crop by and large is good for this year. We are expecting diversion of more cane for ethanol making, and as a result, sugar production will be slightly lower at 30.5 million ton during 2021-22 season, Joint Secretary in the Food Ministry Subodh Kumar Singh said. In the current season, cane meant for production of 2 million ton sugar was diverted for ethanol making, while in 21-22 season, cane meant for production of 3.5 million ton of sugar will be diverted, he said. However, sugar production will be sufficient to meet domestic consumption, which is expected to increase by 3 lakh to 4 lakh ton at 26.3 to 26.5 million ton in 21-22 season. He added, domestic consumption in 2021 season is estimated to be 26 million ton, with the likely opening stock of sweetener estimated at 9 to 9.5 million ton and expected production of 30.5 million ton. The total availability of sugar in the 21-22 season will be 39.5 to 40 million ton.